Hi, this is your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson. We have DeShaun in here with us this afternoon, and DeShaun comes in here with a little hitch in his get-along this evening, and I examined him and did his history, and he has a severe lumbosacral radiculopathy from a herniated lumbar disc that's going out into his left SI joint region all the way down into his left calf. And it's pretty severe pain, isn't it? You've been in the hospital getting morphine for this already.
Yes.
And the pain's still come back. You've been to other chiropractors and gotten an adjustment, and the pain made it worse.
Yes, definitely.
So you came in here because you're a recent crack addict fan because of your wife, right?
Yes.
Okay, yeah. Good. So let's show them how we adjust the DeShaun Houstonians.
Yes.
Let's have you close your eyes for me, DeShaun, and bend your head forward and backwards. Now, as you can see, he's leaning off to the right. That's called antalgic posture. Back to neutral, please, sir. You know, if DeShaun Watson was getting adjusted in here, he'd be doing a lot better, too. So, I've already done his examination, and he can't do very many of the exams that I did on him because of the severe pain, but I'm going to have you lay on your stomach, and I'm going to get started adjusting your low back and pelvis first. So you're going to get to see what an acute lumbar spine herniated disc and lumbosacral radiculopathy, very fit human being looks like. See, his right leg's over ½ an inch shorter. Do you see that? Yeah, and I couldn't even bring his legs up because it hurt his pelvis and low back too badly. So I'm going to start off with these SI joints now. DeShaun, I'm going to tell you one thing right now. You need to get off of that wallet. Hand that to your wife. She'll take care of that for you. Should we go on the Galleria? Yeah, you don't ever want to sit on that thing. Okay, so you're going to feel this table moving. All you need to do is lay there and breathe and relax for me. You get the easy job. I'm going to adjust your SI joint first. Yep. There. Now we're going to get on L5. Oh boy, this is going to be a little sore at first, DeShaun. That's it. I'm pushing them back forward to take that pressure off your nerves. That's it. Yes, sir? Okay, just breathe. There you go. That's it, right there. You feel all those?
I felt.
Okay, just keep breathing for me. I'm going to get this head of yours up over your spine where it's supposed to be. Okay, let's turn you on your back now, please, sir. Just temporary. It's already moving a little bit easier. When we get some of that acute pinching off the nerve, you'll feel a lot better. Yeah. I know what's going to help you the most. So do you. Okay, put both arms out to the side for me. Slide down just a little bit, sir. There you go. That's it. Just adjusting your shoulders and your clavicles and your anterior ribs here now. Yeah, you're testing the limits of my table here, DeShaun. Okay, you can relax your hands on your tummy there. Now I want you to let this right leg just go in my hands. Just let it go like a limp rag. There you go. Now you should have felt that from your knee all the way up into your lower back. Did you?
I did.
Okay, same thing here. Relax this one. There you go. Super. Okay, let's kind of get up sideways. Don't grab me. There we go. I'm going to face that way. He's still breathing. That's a good sign. Yeah, a little bit.
Just a little bit.
We're going to do this one next. So, no, you're okay, huh? You're fine. We got to have you in the video to make it beautiful.
Yeah.
Butt right there, head up that way.
My face has been horrible. It's like, oh, geez. I'll have to get him when you do the ring dinger then, huh?
When you pulled this leg, I just knew it was over for both of them.
Yeah. He's worried about my safety and health too.
I really was.
Slide down just a little bit for me, Deshaun. A little bit more. Yeah, right there. Okay. Now this is gonna feel tight. Don't twist sideways. Just lay flat. I'll get it in there. Yes, sir. Just relax your hands on your stomach here for me. Let your legs bend and relax naturally with the table. This is how you should start laying down at night with your legs elevated. Like if you were to go home and lay on the floor and put your legs up on the couch, that's how you should start sleeping. There. Okay. Just breathe through your nose. Yeah, boy. Oh, I felt that one suck back in there. I know you felt that all the way down, didn't you?
Oh boy, did I.
And looky there, you're still kicking. So. Yeah. There we go. I got you. Okay. Yes, sir. That's how it's done. That's a real full body chiropractic adjustment right there. Bet you didn't get this at the joint.
Oh, I had a joint.
Yeah, that's what I always say. I said, you know, if it's got a joint, I can adjust them. When I was younger, I used to smoke them. Now I adjust them.
There you go.
Going this way now. He's definitely walking a little bit better.
He is. He's moving faster.
Yeah. Let's still shoot you now. They still shoot horses, don't they?
Yeah, they do.
Let's head and flex your head forward and backwards again. Okay.
Nervous for
Pull
you.
these guys up here like this. We're just going to try to get your head up over your spine where it's supposed to be. Yeah. Shift your pelvis straight right towards Ken's there. And get off the cord. Okay, relax. Now, just try that same thing again. See how this feels this time, DeShaun. Forward and backwards again. Bet that pulled a little bit less than the first one.
Yeah.
Walk around for me. And you see, look here. Look in the mirror. See, you got space on both sides now.
Yeah.
Is where you were way over to the left before. Walk around, see if you can put any more weight on that left leg. Well, that's definitely better.
Definitely.
It's probably not going to super glue in place
No.
over this one adjustment.
It is not.
We'll
But I
get you
can-
back in here tomorrow and do this again.
Fun times.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, and when you get home, crushed ice in a freezer baggie directly on the skin over this lumbosacral spine region for about 20 minutes only.
All right.
So you can do that 20 minutes on, hour off, 20 minutes on, hour off. Don't put heat on this ever.
No.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah.
No heat.
No, he.
Crushed ice only though. Can't
Okay.
be gel packs that you throw in and out of the
Okay.
freezer. It has to be crushed ice.
Okay.
Okay.
And drink a gallon of water every day for the rest of your life.
I
You already do that, probably don't.
No, I need to.
Yeah, you should.
I gotta lay off the coffee.
So, would you mind sharing with our YouTube audience how was your very first experience here at Advanced Chiropractic Relief?
It was awesome. It was great. It was everything that he said it would be. Definitely feel aligned, feel back more.
Not pinching on the nerves
Not,
bad, right?
not pinching on the nerves, feel mobility. So
Yeah.
definitely for that.
Did I do a thorough exam and history on you?
He did. Definitely did. And he knows his stuff.
Yeah.
One thing you can tell is he knows his stuff.
Well, thank you for sharing your story,
Thank you
Deshaun.
again. Thank
and
you
we'll
again.
see you tomorrow.
Thank
This
you,
is your
Doctor.
Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson, coming to you from Advanced Chiropractic Relief in Houston, Texas with DeShaun. We'll see y'all soon.
Thank you.